Hi, I'm T. Cooper. I'm a New York City makeup artist, hairstylist, and co-founder of beauty and grooming company Metro Look. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a question that I was most recently asked, how to use a hair roller brush. And what she actually meant was a round brush. That's exactly what it's more commonly referred to as. So, a round brush, it looks a little something like this, and they come in different sizes and shapes. The bigger ones are used to create more volume in the hair, and the smaller ones are either used for short hair or if you have long hair and you want to try to make curls and more of S shapes in the hair. You can get a wood one, like mine is wood, and they also have metal ones. Those conduct a little bit more heat throughout the hair. So to use one of these bad boys, you need a round brush, you need a blow dryer, you're probably gonna need a comb because if you use one of these, your hair is probably gonna be wet, but you can use it on dry hair as well. I know I do. So you need a wide tooth comb so that you won't break the hair. And some good old fashioned sectioning clips to keep the hair out of the way if you're gonna do the whole entire head. So what you do is you take some hair like so. You comb through it to make sure there are no tangles in the hair because you don't want to break it off. And like I said, more than likely if you use this, your hair is going to be damp or wet. So I like to keep my brush in my right hand and use my blower in my left. So you turn the blower on. And then you can start this way. I like to start this way because I like to make sure I get the root smooth. So I pull and I use a little tension and then I get the root first. And then I go all the way down sometimes just to make the hair nice and smooth. But then when I want to put body into the hair, I go underneath like so, and then you roll. And you can keep rolling as much as you want. You control this brush as much as you want. You can roll it up, you can roll it down, you can just let it go. And then sometimes what I like to do is I'll leave it like this, and I'll keep hair on it, heat on it. And then what that does is that kind of curls the tip under. You see the shape that made? So it takes some practice and getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, it's not a big deal at all. I'm T. Cooper. Thank you so much for watching.